Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos. This video is not going to be a project out in my yard. My family and I decided to take a trip up to Branson, Missouri and take my nieces and nephew to Silver Dollar City to ride all the rides and check out the Christmas lights that they have there. So I thought I'd bring the camera along and film what we do there. Now, I've never filmed in public before, so this is probably going to be a little nerve-wracking. However, I want to start pushing myself outside of my comfort zone so that I can get more comfortable with filming in public. So I figured that this would be a perfect opportunity for me to do that. My parents actually got there a few hours before I did, and when they got there, they had some storms come through and some tornado warnings come through their area. Luckily, they didn't have any problems in their area, but I do know that some areas did get hit by tornadoes. So if any of you watching were affected by those tornadoes, I really hope you all are doing okay and you all have been in my thoughts and prayers. I'm not going to have another video out until after Christmas, so I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas.
Fold it in one more time.
There. There. Oops.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ariana,
What?
where are we going to first?
Wildfire.
Okay, so I guess you all ride this and then I'll ride the second one because somebody's gonna have to hold my backpack. All right, so Maddie unfortunately was too small to ride the Wildfire. So me and Ariana and her dad went ahead and rode it, and I will show you that video right now.
It's gonna be fun. Yep, I'm ready. Hold on to that.
Here we go. What are you?
I'm a gingerbread.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Put your hands behind it, so it looks like those are your hands. Now look at me. You can't really. There you go. Good job.
All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I don't think anybody cares. I didn't hear anybody say, yeah, we're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Let me know.
I'll grab the top part. You grab the bottom part. Okay, come down.
Is there anybody behind me? Ariana.
Yeah.
Go put your head in that.
I just do this.
Could you imagine having to do that for being in trouble?
Ow. That would hurt. This hurts. Ow.
Well, it's not supposed to be comfortable.
Stay there. Let me see. Manny, let me see what you look like. Your emoji. My emoji. Ready?
Look at that.
Let's go get some.
Hey, Cameron, what are you doing?
A choo-choo
Christmas tree?
Choo-choo train?
Oh, choo-choo train.
Hi, Bubba.
Camo.
Say cheese.
Cameron, over here, Bubba, over here. Cheese.
Hey, what is that?
KK.
Candy cane?
Whoa.
Nike shots never came out. So this big thing.
Guess I'll get out of my shadow. Maddie.
Say cheesy. Cheese. Cameron, look at Uncle Corey and say cheese. Jump. 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 Now jump on the ground. Jump on the ground. Hand. Nope. Jump on the ground. Jump. Good job. Hi, Daddy.
Hey. Hey, Cameron.
Is that fun?
Was that fun?
You rode an elephant.
It's fun.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
That was actually.
Ariana.
Welcome, pioneers. Y'all sit still. Go ahead and buckle your seatbelts. Our stage hands will let you know when to pull down.
Well, Maddie got her face painted.
Yeah.
Ariana's next.
There she is.
Hey,
I love it.
do you like it?
Yeah.
Maddie, do you like yours?
Yes.
Have you all had fun?
Yeah.
No, I got it. It's all right. So it's getting pretty cold out here, and we're trying to wait until it gets dark so we can see all the Christmas lights. Are y'all ready to see those?
Yes. Yeah.
Y'all's faces look really good.
Thanks. I'm a mermaid.
I don't really know what I am right this second.
You're a zombie.
I'm not a zombie.
You look like.
I don't look like one.
Okay.
I look very cute.
You're a really beautiful zombie.
I don't like that. I don't like it.
All right, let's go look at the Christmas lights.
Okay.